Hi everyone, welcome to Nefis TV. Here's how to prepare delicious mini chocolate cake rolls. In a whisking bowl, beat 3 eggs with half a cup of granulated sugar until fluffy. Add 2 tablespoons of hot water while still beating. Sift half a cup of all-purpose flour, 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder, 1 tablespoon of starch, and 2 teaspoons of vanilla sugar into the bowl. And continue beating. Line a baking pan with parchment paper to prevent from sticking. Pour the batter and spread it evenly. Bake in an oven preheated at 170 degrees for about 10 minutes. Once the cake comes out of the oven, remove it from the baking pan and while it's still hot, roll the cake and let it cool. Rolling it while it's still warm helps to prevent cracks later. After cooled, lay it flat again and divide it into 6 equal pieces. Spread some apricot jam evenly over the top of the cake. Of course, you can use any other jam or marmalade that you like. Next, spread a thin layer of chantilly cream on top and roll again. I prepared the cream whisking 75 grams of chantilly cream powder with 100 milliliters of milk. For the top, heat 200 ml of heavy cream. Remove from the heat before it starts to boil. Add 80 grams of milk chocolate and 160 grams of dark chocolate and mix until they are fully melted. Then let it cool, stirring occasionally. Cover the top and sides of each cake roll with a cool chocolate sauce. Let them rest in the refrigerator for about 4 hours. Mini chocolate Swiss rolls are ready. Decorate as you desire and serve. Hope you enjoy! If you enjoyed the video, please don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe and click the bell icon. I'm waiting your comments. Thanks for watching!